other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Rough TV, and we're back. We're back as promised. I said we would come back in the fall. I did a little bit later. I wanted to get a few more of the Lebron 18s out, a few more colorways. But we're back for the Jordan versus LeBron sneaker battle, round 18. All right, now I have 4 colorways of each shoe now. I've had time to really think this battle through. The LeBron 18 came out in, I believe it was October of 2020. I think there was a pair that might have came out a few weeks earlier in the end of September, but we've had plenty of time now. This is April 2021. We are now in the LeBron 18 low time frame. All right, we've had plenty of time to judge the LeBron 18s up against the Jordan 18s. All right, so let's go ahead and bring in the first contestant. All right. Boom. All right. Here we are with the Jordan 18 in that black and royal colorway. All right. Man, I really love the Jordan 18s. I really do. It's just something about this shoe that looked cool to me. Even when I was little, I don't want to say little. Let me not say little. When I was a teenager and these first came out, actually, I was 18 when the Jordan 18 came out. I was 18 years old when these came out. So I remember these coming out, and I wasn't even into sneakers back then. So, man, I just have always thought this model was very nice, was very cool, and I've always wanted it. I've always wanted it. So when they started retroing the Jordan 18s, I was all over them, especially this colorway, this one, and specifically this one. All right. Really wanted I had to have the white and royal and the black and royal. These are my 2 favorite colorways of the Jordan 18s. And there's a UNC one. I just said they haven't brought those back out. But when they do, I'm going to get the white and UNC ones. The white and the baby blue, the powder blue. So when those come out, I'll get those. But man, I really love the Jordan 18s. Lightweight shoe, not heavy. Nice suede material on this black pair. Leather on the white pair. A very dope shoe. I like the way they look. I like how you even have the metallic button there. And underneath you have that leather Jordan there. Man, I like it. The tumbled leather on the tongue. You got your Jordan carbon on the inside. Man, I even just like the way the pattern looks on the midsole there. This is a very dope shoe, man. Very dope shoe. Look at the Jumpman there. Nonetheless, very dope shoe, man. I'm a huge fan of the Jordan 18 for sure. All right, look at the bottoms. Man, very dope shoe. Very comfortable too. Very comfortable shoe. All right. Up against the LeBron 18. All right. Now you all know, Big Roth, proud member of the Bron gang. All right. Very dope shoe. This is actually the James Gang colorway. You know, nice blue swoosh here. I do like the LeBron 18. I do like the LeBron 18. I do not like the tongue on the LeBron 18. The tongue is probably the only thing that I really don't like about this shoe. The fit of the shoe, at times, if I couldn't decide if I needed a 13.5 or a 14. When I got the 13.5, it almost felt like it was too snug. The 14 at times feels a little big. So I don't know. Maybe it's just my foot. But overall, I do like the LeBron 18. Do I feel like it is in the upper echelon of LeBron sneakers? No. I feel like the 17 overall might have been a better shoe. Is the technology in the 18 better? Do I feel like the technology advanced a little bit in the LeBron 18? I can't tell. I really can't tell. But I do like the shoe nonetheless. I just don't feel like they went as hard on the LeBron 18 as they did the 17s. But I will say that. I don't feel like they went as hard with the colorways and special edition versions of the LeBron 18s like they did the 17s and even the 16s before it. It just feels like they did more with previous versions than they did with this 18. But what we're here for, the decision that we are here for. All right, let's go ahead and bring the Jordan in. Round 18. Which shoe is victorious? Which shoe is the winner? When we left off, LeBron was up 9-8. LeBron was the winner of rounds 1 through 17. Here we are, round 18. Jordan versus LeBron. Who wins? All right. My pick for round 18 goes to the Jordan 18. All right. The Jordan 18 is the winner of round 18 and ties the series back up 9-9. All right. I love the 18s. I'm a huge fan of the Jordan 18s. Just a big fan. So much of a fan. And you guys know normally I don't do this, but I'm so much of a fan of the Jordan 18 that I have a all red version of the shoe. I have the all red version of it too, the Toro version, if you will. The Raging Bull version, if you will, of this shoe. Alright? Man, I love this one. Had to have them. Had to have them. But, yeah, man, no doubt about it. The Jordan 18, undoubtedly the winner of this battle. It was no contest. It just was a feeling that I got. I remember when these released and not even being into sneakers back then and saying, damn, those are cool. Those are really cool. I remember guys rushing to the mall to pick up a pair. I didn't get a pair, but I remember seeing people go and get them, and man, I've just always thought these were cool. I even remember Mike playing in these. I remember him playing in these his final season with the Wizards, and man, I just always thought these were dope. There's even a white and red pair, if I'm not mistaken. I want to say he wore the retro Bullets jersey. I would wear those too. I would cop those too. I just thought the 18, man, it's a very dope shoe. All the carbon fiber that's all around this shoe, the vents and everything. Very dope shoe, and it's really comfortable. It's really comfortable, really lightweight in comparison to this LeBron. I know they're two different players, and Jordan's a guard, so maybe he needs a little bit lighter of shoes. And then, you know, LeBron's a forward and, you know, plays bigger. He's a bigger guy. His shoes are generally heavier than Jordan's are anyway. But if I'm picking between the two, at least for style purposes, I'm going with the Jordan 18. Maybe on court, if I'm getting out on the court and I want a shoe that I'm going to get out there and hoop in, I may pick the LeBron. But that's only because I don't feel like retro Jordans should be played in. I like to play more in newer Jordans if I'm going out to actually play. So Jordan 29 and up, I feel like those are better to actually get on the court and play in now instead of something like this. But overall, I still say Jordan 18 is the winner, and we're back. We're back at square one. We're back at a tie. All right. Now that we're tied up, of course, you know what comes after 18? 19s, right? LeBron 19s will drop in a matter of months. We'll probably get them in about 5 or 6 months, right? I do not like Jordan 19s. Period. It will take a colossal fail on LeBron's part, on Nike and LeBron's part, for LeBron to lose round 19. I'm telling you that in advance. It would have to be, without a shadow of a doubt, the absolute worst LeBron shoe in his entire collection. It has to be a major fail in order for LeBron to lose round 19. That's how much I despise the Jordan 19. The same probably can be said from Jordan's 20 through 27, maybe. 28s I thought were kind of cool. 29s I like a lot. 30s, 31s I like a lot. All right, but it's not looking good for Team Jordan after this one. It's really not. 23s are okay, but it's gonna take the LeBron line to just massively fall off after this point for them to lose. All right, so that's gonna do it for this one. Just wanted to give you guys a little foresight into the future. Thought I'd bring this series back and give you the update. Round 18 goes the Jordans. All right, but that's gonna do it for this video, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.